Hi everyone, today I will present a product which is Living Mosses Air Purifying Wall Panel. I am quoting with number matrix 71396. For the first, we will talk about the product selection and relevance. This product Living Mosses Rear Purifier Wall Panel, which is a non-timber forest product by using the living mosses from the forest ecosystem. This makes a strong connection to renewable forest resources. Like these mosses has large amount and many kind of species in the forest, right? So like this also make a practical and sustainable for real world indoor use. So like many of houses, there's a very lack of green things inside their house. So by using the resource from the forest, we can make like we take the forest inside the a part of the forest inside into the houses, so we can create more greenish into the in for the indoors. So it also supports a sustainable economy by creating value without forest destruction. So by you collecting the mosses, you will not so harm for the forest by cutting trees like that. Okay, so there's also choose for the highest environmental impact with low resources extraction. So the next will be the materials and sources for the forest resources. So for this wall panel, we will by using the living mosses as the main, like the and source from the sustainably managed forest or curve cultivated mosses nurseries. So we can take the mosses from the forest and then culture it, or propagation it in the nurseries, and make a large amount of it, and then we can make it and as a main things for the panel. So we also can make a very nice useful things for the wall panels. So by the frame, we can using the bamboo or recycled wood as a frame. So this is a renewable and low carbon forest material lah. So we can take also from the forest, or um, the recycled wood is like the used furnitures like that. So it's also kind of we can do like a recycle or something lah, like that. So it's also for natural fiber packing. So for natural fiber, you can still use coconut uh, for the part of that. It's called offset lah. So so then the all the of the things we will get it by the forest resources, and this is renewable, have low impact and responsibility source. For the sustainability and sustainable economy, so they will become three parts of it. So for the first is environmental aspect. For environmental aspects is improve air quality and reduce indoor pollution. So for the normal air purifier, we need to use electric to purify, right? So then for this is just no need for electricity, and have just normal water and little sunlight, and is enough. So it's also low energy using of it. Is no need to water every day like that. I just spray, keep moisture, and then okay. So for the next is economic aspect. So it creates green jobs in mosses cultivation and panel production. So for this, we can make more jobs for the panel creation, and then we can make more creative for like using mosses, several different types of mosses. You can make different shapes and like that. Also, we can create many green jobs for this, and we can add value without increasing the forest exploration. This is important because um, many values these are need they are needed to use by using the forest exploration to get the resource, right? But in from for Moses, just we uh, need a little bit, and then we can propagate it to many, and then we also can make a product like that lah. So the next is the social aspects. Is this is improve human health and well-being. So by looking the green things, we can and for example, you have one have a job, for example, a job where very stressful. After finishing the job very stressed. Okay, then you went back home, you saw a panel with very greenish and then very liveful, then will bring the human health, and then emotional, will get healed like that. So it's also encourage a green lifestyle and awareness. So for summary is the demonstrate this demonstrates a clear understanding for the sustainable economy lah, for this. Okay, now next is the purpose, benefits, and impacts of the product. So for this wall panel Moses, the purpose of me for using this is provide a new natural air purification and noise reduction in for indoors. Okay, so for Mars, they also one can reduce the noise because by the un unflat surface lah. So their benefits is also they create a clear air, use a little space, and to improve and also can improve mental health. So for how the impact is that it reduce relations on electronics air, air purifiers. It also promotes a sustainable forest use, for or also for conservation awareness. So it's also combine environmental function and more for on modeling design. We can use very different species, like different kinds of leaf or species, and also create a nice diagram like that. So the next is target market and the production plan. So, okay, for the target market, we can aim this product to the officers, uh, airports, cafes, hotels, schools like universities or hospitals, also urban zones. This is any kinds of indoors also can. This is because where nowadays there are many or most of the indoors areas are very less greenish things like so we by you and also has some very less space for the green corner, for example, for the green corner setting up. So by using this wall panel, you just put the mosses on the wall, and then you have a place that a piece of green like that. It's very nice. So for the for basic product plans, um, for the product plan here is we harvest the mosses from the forest, from the resource forest. Then we cultivation it, propagation it. Then we also um, produce the panel, and then make a panel, and then farming the mosses on it, and then an installation. So after installation, the wall panel is done, and then it can start functioning. So the flexibility is there is no technology requirement for it, and then it's easy maintenance and scalable production. Yeah. So lastly, the evaluation of it is The living forest product replacing an artificial air cleaning device without using electricity, and then biodegradable, and then also very low energy users and low maintenance. Okay, so this also it combines ecology, interior design, and health also. You can design many kinds of shapes like very creatively. So for the interpersonal value, their value of it is they make a premium eco product with growing green market demand. And now the last is the for the customer value is can make a customer feel in the nature, chemical-free, low maintenance solution. So it's just not like electric what air purification. Sometimes you need to maintain it also with many one, but this no. You just when unfortunately is die, okay, change another, and easy bit is very hard to die out for honestly. So this is a very nice thing, nice product for you. So this is a strong potential for commercialization and sustainable business for the business growth lah. So and now here is for last for me, and very thank you very much. The next slide will be our flyers. So this also okay, this is all of me. Thank you.